the next point is here, the principle of sample survey. So there are the three principles of the sample survey. First principles of sample survey. First point is that principle of optimization. Optimization. Second point is the principle of validity. And the third point is that the principle of statistical regularity. The three principles are here in the principles of sample survey. The first one is the principle of optimization. So what is the principle of optimization? So this includes the two factors, efficiency and the cost. So it is actually the vice versa. Suppose I need a greater efficiency in the low cost. So I will try to be low cost and will achieve a better efficiency. And the next point is that the cost is here. The cost is measured by the expenditure incurred in terms of money or manpower. So the term optimization means that it is based on the developing methods of the sample selection and of estimation. These provide a given value of the cost with the maximum policy. So in this one also we need to try to add the given cost. Add the given cost means that I have a limited budget. So in this budget, how I can get a maximum possible efficiency in this case. So this is called these are the some 2 points, which is the efficiency and the cost. Now the principle of validity. Principle of validity is that the sample should be so selected the result could be interpreted in terms of probability. According to the sampling provides valid estimates about the population pyramid. This principle ensures that there is some definite uh, and pre-assigned probability for each individual for the aggregate to be included in the sample. By the validity of a sample, we mean that sample should be so selected that the result could be interpreted objectively in terms of probability. So in this case, it is saying that samples should be selected. There is no any biasness or anything. So the valid estimate and the proper population parameters should be get by the proper population parameters. Now the next one is the principle of statistical regularity. Is that according to the principle of statistical regularity is that moderately large number of items chosen at random from a large group are almost sure on the average to possess the characteristic of the large group. This principle has its own origin in the law of large numbers of the theory. The principle of suppose that I take only a very few samples of 100 samples and I take 1,000 samples. So this is the higher chances of getting more characteristics or more valid informations about the population. So by increasing of the population size, our efficiency will also increase.